Alrighty. Good morning, everyone. Let's jump in the market and see what is going on today with the market in general. So I like to start with the futures first. Let's see what kind of price action we had overnight session, right? So as you can see, we did gap up and we pretty much came back to the prior high we established on Friday. Not bad closure on futures. Strong push. Uh, Sunday trading, kind of a ranging, as you can see, kind of a ranging day, gapping up higher, right there, and selling off, pushing, making even new low, shaking out people probably who put stops right here, and then eventually closing stronger. So let's look at indices. SPY is its all-time high. Yes, it is. SPY keep pushing all-time high. Nice breakout. So another gap up today. Be aware of that, right? So there are certain different gaps in the market. So this is one of those gaps. Gap after gap, runaway type of a gap. I don't know, are we setting up for another leg, or it's gonna be like time when we kind of gonna be a little bit exhausted. So anyway, there's news on the market, right, about additional how many trillions, 4.9 trillion coming to the market and stuff like that. Over the weekend, there were news coming about that, and it's pushing the market, you know. In terms of volume, we don't see a lot of volume. Just saw 5 minute candles. We don't see a lot of volume, as you can see at this point. Just price going high. Qs finally clearing this level as of right now, pre-market price action. So let's see if we can run. What's the next level on Qs? Window. This is a nice window right there. So I'll put it the window fill on Qs. If we get lucky today, and I want to go higher. I'm in two tech names, Microsoft and Palantir, so I do want tech run a little bit free phase and see what we're gonna do there. There's possibility we just gonna range all day, or there's possibility that it's gonna be a fake move and we will continue to go lower. So there's three scenarios: breakout, fake move, or we can look at the first scenario, breakdown and the bounce of the prior support resistance level, and then just continue to go lower. So IVM, as you can see, clears this nice level 238.84s by closing right on a high. Also interesting, but IVM, the one that runs so much, gotta chill out, you know. Volatility, finally, I was looking at on SPY, volatility finally made a new low since, look at that, since when this everything started, pretty much in February. It's ridiculous. Back to 1680s. All right, so let's look at sectors, see what is moving today. XLY, you got a little bit up. There's not much volume here. 1.2% up on XLY. So next resistance coming in right here, 171. So we come in all-time high test, I guess, on this one. All right. So what else is standing? Financials, XLF a little bit up, better price action definitely right now above this area. I do like financials today for continuation. I look forward for continuation move on that sector. Industrial, same picture, gapping up higher, flag right after the flag, getting ready for the breakout, continue to go higher. XLK also stands up today a little bit because 0.5%, 0.6%, and XLB as well. All right, some other sectors, China Internet, KVEP, a little bit up today. Semis, guys, SMH, look at semis, another gap up. I'm a little bit concerned here. We had one gap right here, two gaps. First of all, we came from 224s now at 250s, right? And another gap up today. Where are we sitting? 257s. So this is the prior high. This is going to be very interesting price action today. 258.73. I'll look at semiconductors, and I'll be open-minded after two gaps. You know, this could be interesting price action. PEG today, leisure is up a little bit, not enough volume here yet. All right, as you can see, ARCs, all of them up a decent amount today. Again, need more volume. RKK is the most. About Tom Brady news. If you read on Stockwatch, Tom Brady props, Cathie Wood, freaking weird. But anyway, it's gapping up high to the prior consolidation from Friday, and just sitting there right now. It might fade from there. I don't know. We'll see. QCLN, clean energy, up a little bit. What else we have? TAN, same thing. Solars and 3D printers gap a little bit. So same scenario like we've seen in the past when we had gaps. So we'll be open-minded for any possibilities today, guys. I've seen a bunch of negative articles as well over the weekend, and you know, we just had a breakout on SPY. It doesn't mean that's it. We're ready for another bull market. It doesn't mean that. So I'm open-minded for three scenarios: today, next week, next month. Anyway, so as you can see, the heat map, it's pretty much greenish, right? You got semis on the green side here. That's what we saw. We got semis here, right? We got Tesla stands up with the news. You got resorts and leisures, entertainment. So let's look at that. Let's see, you got LVS, MGM, Win. I'll glance at those three names. Tesla, definitely already on watch. CCL, oh, look at that. You got CCL, NCLH, RCL. Let's glance at those names as well. We got airlines today. AAL, UAL, right? What's J here doing? Jacobs Energy. So FCX I already have on my screener. So financials today. Here we have our usual candidates: AMAT, LRCX, and you know, whatever. Here QRVO, interesting. Okay, QRVO 2% up today. All right, so I'd like to glance in the screener real quick. NCLH today stands up. Let's see. Norwegian Cruises stock surges after plans submitted to CDC to resume US. All right, so cool. How many times they did this already? Submitting a plan to whatever, getting approved and getting rejected. Kind of a BS, right? But it will get some traction here. NCLH, worth watching today, guys. We'll look at the daily chart and analyze that in a moment. LUMN, let's see what's going on here. Black Lotus releases threat intelligence reports. Subwing newly discovered watering How attack the targeted Ukrainian Canadian organizations. Okay. There's no, honestly, clean action on that one. Ebone. This one can run, but it's so ugly. Look at this daily chart. Ebone International announced official launch of cryptocurrency exchange. All right. Jumping on bandwagon. Kind of short news to me. All right, I'm gonna glance at the pre-market here real quick and see we have 5 pages. I like to go downgrades. No downgrades today. Upgrades. All right, JBLU on upgrade. Okay, I'm gonna write it down, that one. JBLU upgrade. MGM. Oh, MGM upgrade. Okay. Looking interesting. NVTA. Let's look at that one. Tesla on upgrade. What a surprise. Upgrading Tesla right when it breaks 700. So this is a very nice area on Tesla. I don't know if I'm a bullish or bearish in this area. It might be a little bit tough to break out of this area and run back to 800. NVTA, look at that one in a moment. And AMC today. There's not much RWO going on this one. This is also an upgrade, AMC. Alright, so let's see what's major news we have. CLOV. Okay, same news. Alright, NVTA is upgrade, SoftBank to lead 2.2 billion investment. Okay, getting investment from SoftBank. Okay, ride. Is that Lord's? What's the name of this? Lordstown Motors. Alright, the low K is still going on. Facebook today, look at that. 300. Alright, Facebook goes on list. Going without me. Very nice constructive price action. Look at this 5-minute candles. Very nice. Facebook stock is buy and could gain 20%. Alright, any specific news? Promoting. Okay, sure. I don't see any specific news here on Facebook. Some just kind of like pumping news related to buy analytical upgrades and whatever. COMP Compass. Let's look at that one. Okay, earnings in Compass. Software application. I'll look at that one in a moment. Plug. Had news. Okay. G. Sure. Right. Apple kind of the same price action. You get a bunch of news here. Russia drops the case against Twitter, right? So we'll see. Maybe Facebook and Apple today might get some sort of attraction. You know, big boys pushing the market, possibly. GME, what is going on with this one? Plans 1 billion stock sale. All right, they should do this at $500, not now. All right, so we'll see. GME might get some traction today too. Tesla, I'm watching that. PLTR, guys, I am in this name, watching already. I got over the weekend news related to 89.9 million nuclear safety project contract. Not a huge one for 5 years, right? But they nailing these contracts every 2, 3, 4 weeks. So anyway, that's what I have. So I have a whole entire list already here. I have an entire watch list. So first of all, I'm gonna go through my watch list and see what is going on here. All right, RBLX stepping up higher a little bit, $70 tester. So good, good, good. GM looking good for continuation. Nice clearance of this level, guys. GM is a long, possible add to GM right at the breakout of this 50 right here. So top list to me, GM's long, POTR. Looking for the breakout here, top list, POTR. Both actually GM and PLTR, you got catalyst on GM, it's upgrade to 67. Right, GMIA, nice continuation of potential move here. Walmart, still chilling. Jivo, got a break of this $10. TSM, nice continuation. Oracle. Many of these names I watch for the whole entire week because of the setup they present, continuation moves and stuff like that. Neo, nice step higher on Neo. So let's see if they're gonna sell it. I'm a seller. I'm a seller. If we're gonna go pop in the morning, I'm a seller, guys. You got to be selling, taking profits. It's a 4th day. 1, 2, 3, 4 day. If you didn't sell some here, you gotta be selling today and tomorrow. So just kind of thinking smart. Oh yeah, here's Facebook. Need more volume here a little bit, right? But I do like this push on Facebook. Plug. Again, nice rejection here at 37. That's what I want to see. Very nice constructive talk. Let's go back to 35s and look for the bounce there on plug. Looking interesting on plug. Chewy, nothing there. Target, breaking out a little bit here. Blink. All right, Donkey Kong, look at this, already pushing. Selch, not there yet. Dog, trying. Right, this one GPRE, not there yet. So those some earnings plays. All right, Tesla, it's on watch. We have a nice gap to get filled all the way back down to 660, right? So let's see what we're gonna do. This is a prior level we broke now. We gotta provide some beats here for support. I don't know. So I'm not a buyer, I'm not a seller there. With the news and with the momentum, if you're already on this name at 600, you got to be selling. All right, CT guys, talk about financials. Look at how clean we're breaking out. But the problem is the next level is 75.50s. We're inside, we're in the middle. We're in the middle right here. So I'm not a buyer here. This is a broken pattern for me. The buyer, if we open right here, 73.29, yes, I'm a buyer there. Now we're in the middle of the channel. How can I buy between 73.5 and 75.5? So the risk reward is not there on CD, but financial strong. Microsoft looking for continuation. Nice feel of the window. Consolidation one day. Let's see if we can do another 2nd day consolidation today and add on this name and continue for the breakout. AMD pushing a little bit higher, looking good on this one. Looking for a push all the way to 85s. Expect consolidation on a high. All right. So we're back to 38s. Look at this, how nice it is. This is 2 levels from the daily chart, and it's confirmed as you can see by pre-market action. CRM, very nice closure on a high, guys. I am watching CRM today for the breakout. And this big boy can run 5 ATR, so breakout here gotta be legit, and I might look at it to get in on this name. So what else? This one looking also nice. Atvi, Activision, TT, WO, Tuyo, and Activision. I do like Activision a little bit better, but Tuyo. The way it moves, Activision, I think it's way better. Moves on this name. All right, FOGT, KLIC, VODR looking interesting, gapping up back into the prior levels right now. Might start clearing these levels, and this name can run based on the prior history. EBIX, nothing there. Disney, runaway gap again today. Okay, so the next level on Disney is 195. So I want to see some sort of a constructive price action. Let's see, Netflix makes history, options applied. All right, I don't see any news on Disney, but it does moving, sure. All right, ASO continues to go higher, another 8% up today. Oh, this one is down 4%, PXD. Wow. Why? Natural researchers are trading lower after KeyBank downgrade the stock from overweight to sector weight, price at 178. So this could be a buy right back to the support 157s. I'm gonna look at this name in a moment when the market will be open. PXD, LPX. ETR, nothing there yet. AI continues to go higher. All right, and Knox had approved from FDA, I think. So very strong price action, as you can see, above 2 technical key levels into this 7-year right now mark. I'm not a buyer, I'm not a seller here. I want to see the price action settles down. It's up like 50%. FCX, very nice breakout over this area. I'm a buyer on this name, but it needs to chill back because the buy is at 34, as much as close to 34. It's up 70 cents right now. Your stop got to be below 34. Are you willing to take risk 70 cents, or you want to actually mitigate your risk and fight for your entry, right? Because this is technically your target, 34.90. So, or like this range, the whole entire range from the prior breakdown, 35.40. So, Discovery, all right, just watching. So, all right, I have a few more names. I gotta look at it here. Oil via low, LVS, Leisure, MGM got an upgrade right today. I'm gonna edit MGM. Leisure's moving, and MGM. Again, another gap up on this one. Win. Did I hit it there? All right, gotta remove it. MGM. All right, let's look at airlines. CCL. I mean, cruises CCL. Nice breakout on CCL today over this area. Pretty much consolidation breakout, as you can see. Where are we sitting right now? 27. Gotta clear this 27s. So NCLH, I wonder if this one looks better. To 29s. 29s, this is the area we're clearing right now. So we can run, right? But the prior resistance right now on NCLH. So, tough choice. I'll put NCLH on watch. The reason is because it has a catalyst, right? News, besides the fact that it's making a nice move. So the nice ATR range. Another problem, the move is already happened, right? From 27.70 to 29.50 ATR on this $1.70. And when people start buying and chasing this thing, how much are you expecting? Okay, sure, one more ATR. Usually stocks don't run more than 2 ATR. 1 to 2 ATR, that's on average how much stocks usually run in a this type of price range between like 10 to and higher. So AAO, I do like this constructive price talk on AAO. 3 days of consolidation and now breaking out, looking good, right? See what I mean? CDC relaxes domestic travel guidance. Jetblue had some individual news. UAO, similar price action. Let me see Jetblue, JBLU. Okay, very, very similar. So Jetblue may be even better to watch because it did have individual catalysts. All right, I have a few more names I'm watching here. AMAT, I think it's already. Oh, hold on. AMAT. Not a day. Look at this. One gap, two gap. Today is the third day of gap. Well, I'm not a buyer here for sure. QRVO. Breaking out here. Okay, NVTA. Into 43s, 44s. We're gonna see some resistance coming in here for sure. Also, kind of exhausted move from 3170 to 44s. Gotta chill out a little bit here. So, and lastly, comp. So it's a fresh IPO. Okay. First quarter already announcing. Okay. Compass. Alright, I'm not a big fan of trading IPOs, but I'll look at this one today for the breakout over the high from the prior day right here. I'll break down the lows, see how we're gonna behave in this name. Anyway, guys, this is it with the morning prep. Market looking good, but be open-minded for any potential resolution here. All right, PLTR. Let's see what we're doing here. PLTR is my favorite. I might add on this name. We get a breakout, 24s. Have a constructive talk. After 24s, I think we easily can continue to go to 26. And a half, 27s. Anyway, guys, thank you for tuning in on YouTube. I'm gonna cut it off. So we will be streaming only morning preparations from now on, and the live streaming it's gonna be for paid subscribers only. Live trading, I mean. All right, thank you for being with us. Take care.